Have you ever wondered why family health and wellness is a topic of increasing importance in today's fast-paced world? It's more than just eating right or getting enough exercise. It's about nurturing the physical, emotional, and mental health of everyone in the family. In our modern, hectic lives, we often forget the significance of these aspects. But they are fundamental to leading a fulfilling and healthy life. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of why family health and wellness should be at the top of your priority list. The family is the first school for any child. It is where they learn their habits, their attitudes, and their understanding of health and wellness. Now picture this, a family that enjoys a fun game of tag in the park, or the clan that cooks a healthy dinner together. These are the families that are not just bonding but also fostering a positive attitude towards health and wellness. But what happens when the family unit turns into a couch potato club? Well, the couch may get a lot of love, but the health? Not so much. We all know that little Johnny isn't going to enjoy his broccoli if the whole family is munching on potato chips. It's like trying to swim upstream in a river of cheese puffs. It's a hard sell, folks. So it's clear that the family plays a pivotal role in shaping our health habits, isn't it? But what happens when a family prioritizes wellness? Let's dive into this fascinating topic. When families place a high value on health and wellness, amazing things start to happen. The first noticeable change is an improvement in mental health. Families that engage in regular physical activity together, for instance, can help to reduce stress and anxiety. A hike in the woods, a bike ride, or even a playful game of tag in the backyard can boost the mood of every family member. Next, we see a significant enhancement in physical health. When families adopt healthier eating habits and incorporate regular exercise into their routines, the benefits are profound. It's not just about losing weight or getting fit. It's about reducing the risk of diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. And it doesn't stop there. Stronger family relationships are another fantastic byproduct of a wellness-focused lifestyle. Sharing healthy meals, exercising together, and supporting each other's wellness goals creates a bond that's hard to break. It fosters communication, mutual respect, and a shared sense of accomplishment. Did you know that according to a study by the National Institute of Health, families that prioritize wellness are 30% less likely to experience severe health issues? That's a statistic worth considering. The benefits of prioritizing family health and wellness are numerous and incredibly rewarding. And remember, it's never too late to start. So why not begin your family's wellness journey today? So, you may be wondering, how can I start prioritizing health and wellness within my family? Well, let me tell you, it's not rocket science, but it does take a bit of commitment and a sprinkle of fun. Yes, you heard it right, fun. Because let's face it, anything that feels like a chore is less likely to stick, am I right? Start with the basics. Incorporate more fruits and veggies into your meals. I know, sometimes it feels like convincing a toddler to eat broccoli is harder than solving a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. But hey, have you tried making a broccoli monster yet? Or maybe a carrot rocket ship? You'd be surprised how much more appealing veggies become when they're part of an adventure. Next, get moving. And no, I'm not talking about packing up and moving to a new city. I mean physical activity. It could be anything from dancing around the living room to a catchy tune, to going for a family bike ride, or even a good old-fashioned game of tag in the backyard. Make it a regular part of your routine and watch the magic happen. Also, let's not forget about mental wellness. Encourage open conversations, practice mindfulness, and make time for relaxing activities. Maybe you could all learn to meditate together, or take turns telling jokes to lighten the mood. Remember, laughter is the best medicine. Lastly, remember this isn't a race. Small changes can make a big difference. So, start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. And most importantly, celebrate each little victory. Did everyone eat their veggies without a fuss? That calls for a dance party. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Make that step towards family health and wellness today. Share this video with your loved ones and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. And as we wrap up, just remember, health is wealth and laughter is life's best elixir. So let's get healthier, let's laugh more, and let's do it together as a family. Until next time, take care and stay healthy. Behold, Children are a heritage from the Lord, the fruit of the womb, a reward. Psalm 127, 3 ESV. This scripture isn't just a poetic verse, it's a powerful reminder of the significance of family, the blessing that children are, and the responsibility we have to nurture these relationships. It's not just about the physical health we've been discussing, it's also about emotional, mental, and spiritual wellness. Family provides support, love, and encouragement. It's the laughter on a sunny day and the comforting hug on a stormy night. And these bonds, these moments of connection, they contribute to our overall well-being. They help us grow emotionally, keep us grounded mentally, and nourish us spiritually. So, when we talk about prioritizing family health, we're not just talking about eating more greens or doing more push-ups, although those are important too. We're talking about fostering strong connections, about open and honest communication, about mutual care and support within the family unit. As we continue our journey towards family health and wellness, let's remember this scripture. Let's remember that our family is our reward, our blessing, and like any reward, it deserves our best efforts, our utmost care. So let's cherish, let's nurture, and let's prioritize our family's health and wellness.